Hello, my name is Tyler from Wensco, and today we're looking at the Rollover Flexi Flatbed Application Table. If you have a sign shop and you don't have one of these, I highly encourage you to check it out. At least watch this video, and if you have questions, definitely call us at the end of this. But this is a super handy tool to have in your shop if you're doing all sorts of applications. The main three that this is great for, one is weeding vinyl. It has an LED table, so if you put vinyl on top of it, you can see it and weed it a lot easier than it is just to weed it on a standard cutting mat. The second option is applying application tape. If you're doing any large graphics at all, you know that applying application tape can be a major hassle. With this, I'll show you how it works here, but it is a super simple process and you can do super large application tapes without getting bubbles and getting a nice smooth application. The third one is if you're doing any type of signage where you're applying vinyl to it, whether that's aluminum, corrugated plastic, anything like that, and you're doing a larger form of those, this is a great table for these. A 4x8 or a 4x10 table will do a full 4x8 corrugated plastic sheet without any issues, so you don't have to cut it into pieces. You can simply apply the whole thing in one swoop. The LED table makes weeding any type of vinyl that typically is harder to weed, like a white vinyl where you can't really see the cut lines. It should make it a lot easier for you to weed. So you'll be able to see what you're doing. You can see through the backer here, which makes it a lot easier to kind of just peel all of this off, and you'll know what you're doing as well. It also has a cutting mat on it, so you're not going to ruin the table. So if you're looking for a place to weed vinyl, honestly, this is a great table to work with for weeding any vinyl. For loading the tape, all you're going to do is lift this roll off here, slide your roll of tape on, and then lock it back in. You just want to make sure that the sticky side is facing down towards the table. From there, you're just going to loop it underneath this roller here, and then wrap it around the roller, like so. From here, you're just going to line up whatever you're applying your application tape to underneath this. You can then press the button to lower the roller, and then you should just be able to roll it over the top of your design. This should give you a nice smooth application without any bubbles, just like we got here. From here, you can just cut out the graphics that you need to use. And then they should be ready for application from here. Everyone does this next step a little differently, but this does make it a lot easier, especially if you're using a 4x8 sheet or even a 5x10 sheet, where you would need a few people for this. You could definitely do it by yourself if you have a rollover table. So and just like that, we get nice, smooth, clean application without any bubbles, and it should be easy from here to just remove the tape, and the graphics should now be on the corrugated blank. This is a super awesome table. If you haven't seen it, I highly recommend you check it out. This is one where when people get it in their shop, they always are thinking, why did I not get it sooner? So if you haven't seen it, definitely check it out. But if you have any other questions, contact us here at Wensco. We'd be glad to talk about it, and we'd be glad to set up a demo to show it to you as well. But if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see us do next. And if you liked anything you saw in this video, you can check it out at wensco.com. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.